You can engage with us in 3 levels: organizational growth acceleration, team acceleration, and individual sales acceleration through the Hunt Big Sales University.
The first way is organizational acceleration. Now this is about doubling your double as an organization, and this is the deep dive deal coaching work. It means partnership, and what do we mean by partnership? That means that we put our fees at risk with you because we believe there's an opportunity to go land a big sale together. Now this program, which is based on a sale-by-sale basis, a specific sale, is coached by myself as the founder and or President Carajane Searcy Moore.
The second way you can work with Hunt Big Sales is our team sales acceleration. Process is the base of everything we do. And so we start off with the process. That's the tools, the concepts, the playbooks. With that, we also add ongoing hands-on approach, working through those deals live with you using those tools. We have a metric for success. It's a multi-touch team approach. This is a proven system that generates close rates of 50 to 80% on big sales. This program is delivered by our certified consultants and is replicable and scalable for you and your business.
Now, you may be asking yourself, okay, what's the difference between our organizational acceleration and a team acceleration? Let's look at it from the perspective and imagine you are the owner of your favorite sports team. In the team sales acceleration, your players are learning how to play the game. That's the skills, the rules, and some winning strategies to do that at the player level. And they can replicate that over and over again with their opponents, which in this case would be your prospects, in a favorable way. In the organizational acceleration, your team will have a designated captain, one of the 2 of us, in order to guarantee and solidify a win.
The third way to work with Hunt Big Sales is the individual sales acceleration, and that's through the HBS University. We've created these sales courses specifically to address pain points and individual needs you have as a part of your sales process and system. You can start impacting your sales and performance immediately by accessing this IP and coursework, and it's a more do-it-yourself approach at a self-pace. Our prepackaged courses are developed through the years of our work consulting, and we have 5 published books, award-winning content, all that allow our clients who are more budget conscious to self-select their course based on need and situation. Please use the course selector tool, enter your objectives and challenges, and it helps kind of guide you to which courses would best fit your need based on what you input.